So what is cloud backup? Cloud backup doesn't involve clouds, and it isn't located somewhere in the heavens. It utilizes data centers where hundreds or even thousands of servers are working around the clock to store your pictures, videos, and other files you can't live without. There are thousands of data centers around the world, over 2,700 of them in the US alone, waiting for your next picture or document to be backed up. So how does this work? You download an app for your phone, tablet, or an application for Linux, Mac, or Windows computer. Once it's installed, it will monitor your device to do daily or real-time backups of files when they are added or changed. It requires an internet connection to perform the online backups. When you back up your data to the cloud, you're storing a copy of that data on one or more remote servers, which are owned and managed by a cloud service provider. Typically, these providers charge fees based on the amount of storage you need, available bandwidth, number of devices, and number of users who are going to access this data. So why would I need a cloud backup? Accidents do happen. Computers crash, phones die, and in an instant, precious moments can be lost forever. When this happens, you have an easy way to access your files. A few years ago, I decided to try a local backup solution that was accessible remotely on the internet. I moved a terabyte of files from my cloud backup to the local solution and canceled my cloud backup. Within 6 months of this new solution, it started to fail. I was able to recover about 80%, but the 20% that was lost included some memorable pictures that I'll never see again. Lesson learned. And I signed right back up for my cloud backup solution. I've used several of the free options, but through evaluating other solutions throughout the years, I personally still use iDrive. I can put as many phones and computers as I want on one account, and it even supports external hard drives. It works on PCs, Macs, iPhones, iPads, and Android devices. I get daily emailed reports letting me know if my data was actually backed up. I've had 3 computers and 2 phones die while using iDrive Cloud Backup. Each and every time I was able to recover the files to put on the replacement devices. iDrive may not be the cloud backup solution you need, but it's always worked for me. If you'd like to try it for yourself, I've included an affiliate link down below for 25% off your first year. So what are the advantages of cloud backup? Well, first, it's a low cost to start. Even the free options work well if you only need a few gigabytes of data. Cloud backups are accessible from any internet connected devices. It's very scalable, so if you need additional storage, you can get some within minutes. And because of the applications, it's easily managed as it takes care of the backups and restoring data for you. So what are the disadvantages of cloud backup? The cost can add up if you have a lot of data that you will need to store over a long period of time. The backups are online, so recovering large amounts of data can take time to download. If you've got no internet, you've got no backup, and you've got no access. Take a moment, look below, and tap or click on the thumbs up if you've liked the video, so YouTube can make this useful information available to others just like you. Choosing the right cloud backup solution can be difficult and confusing. It took me years to find what works best for me. Drop your questions about this video or cloud backup solutions in the comment section. Share your knowledge, own your mistakes, look around, and find a way to make this world a better place.